how to make a bar chord. Where we're going to go over on the 5th fret with our first finger and using your tips and approaching it from like this. I know this looks kind of weird, like some people think it's like a duck, but I would tell my students that you kind of want to try to close your thumb and your forefinger together. And now when you approach the guitar neck, come up like so, put your thumb right about there, and then place your first finger over the 5th fret. Okay, not directly on top of the fret, but you want your inside part of your first finger to be as close to the fret as possible. And you want to use your tips. You don't want to use that part. You want to use the tips of your finger. And you have your thumb right about there. Okay? Now at first it's going to be difficult because you need to build the muscles in your fingers. Alright? But even before we go put our 2nd, 3rd, and 4th fingers on, I'm sure a lot of you are familiar, and remember this video is for beginners, okay? Or people who want to be, you know, have a little bit of, you know, more information about it. So if you make an E chord, like so, I can tell you guys, instead of using your 1st, 2nd, and 3rd fingers, use your 3rd, 4th, and 2nd fingers. So you'll put your 2nd finger down here on the 2nd fret, 5th string, make that your 3rd finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret, put your pinky right below it on the 4th string, okay, 2nd fret, and put your 2nd finger on the 3rd string, 1st fret. Okay? Now this shape, you could use the shape to slide up and down the frets. I'm on the 2nd fret, 5th fret, 7th fret, 12th fret. You know, you guess it's like an open chord. It's kind of cool. So let's go back to that shape. Okay? 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 2nd finger. Now slide that up so your 3rd finger is on the 7th fret. Keep the same shape. Your 4th finger is also going to be on the 7th fret on the 4th string. Your 2nd finger is going to be on the 3rd string, 6th fret. And remember, bring your hand down, your forearm down, and place your finger as close as you can to the fret. Not on top of the fret, because you're gonna destroy the sound. So there you go. I mean, that's what my teacher used to call a 1st position bar chord, because he would say that you're barring all 6 strings, as opposed to a 2nd position, which is just the first 5 strings. Which leads me to the next type of bar chord. By the way, this is an A major bar chord. And then you can get into minor 7th, you know. So it's a really good chord structure to learn. It's difficult at first, but you know, within a few weeks or within a couple of months, you're going to develop the strength, stamina, and endurance to make that. 1st position, A major. Let's go to 2nd position on the 5th fret. This is a D major. I'm barring the first 5 strings. And I'm also barring first 5 strings on the 5th fret, that is, with my 1st finger. I'm also barring with my 3rd finger the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd strings on the 7th fret. And you strum it from the 5th string down. I suggest that you move up and down the guitar neck in 1st position, bar chord, back to the 2nd position, slide right up and down that neck. Do that about 15 minutes at a time, take a break, practice for another 15 minutes, and good luck. And if you have any questions, please comment, and hope you like and subscribe my channel. Good luck and have fun.